Everybody, it's Justin. I wanted to go ahead and show you a quick video about everything that you're going to get with this very special WSO offer. This is the very first time I've ever made all three of my most powerful pieces of software available all at one time for a very, very low discounted price. And on all three different pieces of software, you're actually going to get lifetime unrestricted access to all of them. So let's go through what you're going to be getting. What you're looking at right now, this is actually the IM press release generator bot. It's actually a bonus that you're going to get with the software. The bot is going to allow you to go ahead and create the accounts for the different press release submission sites that the press release submits to. So if we go ahead and scroll down just so you could take a look. These are some of the accounts that we have went ahead and set up for testing and for use and for different purposes. You're looking, there's two tabs right over here. This email verification tab, that is going to go ahead and let you verify your email address before you set up the accounts. And then over here, this is actually where you enter all of your information to create the accounts. And if we scroll up, this gray area right over here that you take a look at, this area is actually going to disappear, and you're going to be able to see all of your press release submission accounts get created right before your very eyes. It's actually really cool. I was very happy the first time that I saw it. So let's move on. Let's get into the software itself. So here's the first piece of software you're going to get access to. This is the IM press release generator, and there is just a lot going on right here. This has been around by now for almost 4 years. I've invested over $14,000 into it. It just keeps on getting better and better and better over time. Like I said, there's a lot going on right over here. All right, so if we scroll down a little bit, if you click on this link, this 3-page quick start guide is there. That'll help to guide you through initially getting started with using the software. You have built-in press release videos over here. There's, like I said, there's just a lot going on. You have the tutorial videos right down here. And you also have different press release videos themselves, writing a PR, getting started, putting a press release together, press release submission, etc., etc. So let's go back. Right here is the built-in templates. And if we scroll down, what you're actually going to see, you're going to see 35 different press release templates for all different things, all different activities that you could use to go ahead and get backlinks and get publicity for your services, for your products. So you can go ahead and take a look through those. And really what it comes down to is, it's really applicable for lots and lots and lots of things. If we scroll down a little bit more, there's a few other things over here. There's a press release grader. You could run your press release through it before you actually go ahead and submit it. There's a 47-page research guide right over here. Press release tips. This is an entire book of press release tips. It's really incredible, actually. It's actually one of the top ranking press release WSOs that are available right now. You get that for free. All right, and let's go ahead and keep on going because there's a lot more stuff. So this is the dashboard of Trust Establisher. Trust Establisher, I spent 3.5 years developing. It actually just got finished, let's say about a couple of weeks ago or so. We already had one incredible review come in. And yeah, it's really incredible. I'm actually going to show you what happens with it in just a second. But if we scroll down again, you have a 3-page quick start guide right over here. Just a quick look, here's the dashboard. You can take a look and see all of the seals that you have currently in use right now. Here's the total seals, here's the static seals, here's the video seals. You do get a choice of 21 different types of seals that you can go ahead and use, and there's just an incredible amount of information right on this navigation bar over here. But so you don't get overwhelmed. It's actually really, really easy to use. It takes only about 4 or 4.5 minutes to actually install your first Trust Establisher seal on your website. All right, so let's go ahead. Let's get a little demo look right over now if you never saw it. I'm going to be quiet so I can let the software speak for itself. Let's raise the volume or lower the volume a little bit right now. So the software is loading up.
Customer confidence building solution that's been developed specifically with the online customer in mind. At a time when having trust in the world has never been more important, Trust Establisher is here to reveal to you critical information that was never possible to know before. This gives you the ability to make a better informed purchasing decision about the product or service that you are viewing right now. Trust Establisher's independent third-party software automatically displays real-time, up-to-the-minute sales data the instant you opened up this website. This exposes exactly how many sales were made worldwide from country to country, as well as how many products might still remain available for sale. Thanks to PayPal's and ClipBank's ultra-secure IPN transaction data processes, data is automatically generated each time a unit gets sold, which then gets immediately uploaded to Trust Establisher.
So, okay, I'm just going through over here just so you get an idea of what actually happens. It's semi-interactive. This right over here is the pop-up map that's going to open up once one of your customers goes ahead and clicks on our seal. Let me just finish this up over here. So in Asia, for example, or I should say in Israel, I've had one past customer. In Oman, I've had one past customer. In India, I've had 4 past customers. So really, there is a lot to Trust Establisher. Like I said, it's been in development for about 3.5 years. I basically spared no expense. It's totally complete. These are the different video seals that you can go ahead and install on your website. As you can see right over here, we have the total number of worldwide buyers that automatically gets displayed. And these video seals, they're a bit frozen right now, probably because of the internet connection, but these actually spin. All right, and this data right over here, 40 worldwide buyers, that also automatically gets updated every time you make a sale. And let's scroll down over here. These are some of the different static seals. There's actually quite a bit. And lastly, we have, if you use shopping carts, we have these smaller seals right over here. They're a little bit more inconspicuous. They're not as big, but they still display how many worldwide buyers you have. And when you do click on it, then the pop-up map will go ahead and open up in a different tab. All right, so that's Trust Establisher. By the way, I provided all of the links for all of the different WSOs so you can get full information, do your research. And let's go ahead, let's take a look at the last piece of software, and this is Safe Order Secure. I actually need to re-upload Flash, as we could see right over here. So Safe Order has actually been around for almost 5 years. It's used by internet marketers all over the world. I was actually one of the original customers. It actually came up for sale, and I unhesitatingly went ahead and bought it, because I know how well it works for me. I know how well it works for other internet marketers, and everybody's really happy with it. If I click on the seal, all right, so what happens in this case is, because Safe Order, this seal is actually on the safeorder.org site, then what's going to happen is the Safe Order URL is automatically going to get input right over here inside the page. All right, if you own joesbluewidgets.com, for example, then you're going to see joesbluewidgets.com right over here in red. All right, so that's everything. That's the 3 different pieces of software that you get right there. Once you actually make your purchase, you're going to get this 3-in-1 Ultimate Package folder. It's a zip file. Inside, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different files itself. And this is going to provide you with access to be able to get access to all of the different types of software. I threw in some pretty cool little bonuses right over here. All right, and then inside this folder right over here, that's the link for support. All right, so thank you everybody for taking a look. If you're on the fence, I don't know how long I'm going to leave this up for. Please go ahead and grab it right now. You will never, ever, ever see the price this low ever again. And like I said, I've never made all 3 pieces of my most powerful software available for one really low discounted price. Thanks.